Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can delete Snapchat messages saved by other person. So I'm going to be showing you how you can do it. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instructions guided. In order to delete Snapchat messages saved by other person or saved in chat, what you need to do is, first thing, before getting started, make sure that you've already updated your application to the latest version. If not, then head over to your Play Store application, and then on the search box type in Snapchat. And if you have update instead of open, which means that the update is available and you'll need to update the application. So after updating your application, now open up your Snapchat or log in into your account. So once you're logged into your account, you'll be taken to the home page, and on this interface, click on the chat icon in the bottom left corner of your screen. Once you do this, you'll be taken to the chat page. So open up the chat page where you want to delete the saved messages. As you can see, this is the particular chat that the other person has saved. In order to delete it, what you need to do is you need to long press on it and then click on delete. And once you click on delete, you'll be able to see a statement such as friend can see that you've deleted something. If you click on learn more, then you'll be able to see an article stating that when you delete a message, Snapchat team will attempt to remove it from the server, which means that the chat will be deleted from both the person's device, that is the sender as well as the receiver. So this states that this might not work every time, like if somebody has a bad internet connection or if he or she is using an old version of Snapchat. Click on delete chat, and here you can see that the chat has been deleted. In this way you can delete chat. In this way you can delete chat on Snapchat. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.